Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, guys, Riven, R-I-V-N, we saw this in the pre-market. They're doing a financing, and they don't have earnings until November, but they basically pre-warned that they're not going to be too good. What I want to show you, though, is if I can, hopefully I can drag these in. Okay, I want to show you this. This is in my daily reversal scan. Now it was early, 9:30 to short at 21.10. Okay, and then, come on, move. Okay, and then in the 10-day daily breakdown at 9:42 to short at 20.03, and then even later on in my abnormal option activity, you could short it at 19.17. Now that one was a little bit late, but you never know. I mean, there's the 200-day moving average is way down here. This could keep moving down. So I call that the trifecta. 3 different scans all showing short RIVN. All right, guys, and if you want those scans, just let me know. I'll get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.